the Truengine 3 SE. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the SoundPEATS Truengine 3 SE. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and premium memory foam tips and silicone tips. The Truengine 3 SE features 6.5 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Qualcomm 3020 chipset, aptX codec and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, dual drivers, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case is compact in size and simple in design. It has a matte finish all around with a grippy feel to it. And on the top you have the branding. On the back of the case you have the USB-C charge port and the LED light. Opening the lid, you'll find the battery LED status indicator. The lid is very light and it's magnetic. Earbuds are held into place by magnets as well, and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear markings etched in inside the case. The earbuds are a bit smaller compared to the previous version, but it has the same look and feel to it. You can see the transparent housing for the dual drivers and the ear indicators marked on the inside. On the outer face you have the logo with a bronze color and the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of a few taps to get the desired functions. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.6 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 40 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like, oh he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Truengine 3 SE microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in fair during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the SoundPEATS Truengine 3 SE. Like the previous version, the overall fitment was good. It creates a good tight seal and it sits well in my ears. I don't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Touch controls are a definite plus as I prefer them over buttons. It reduces the amount of pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is okay. The case has a simple, compact design and they're easy to grip. Earbuds do feel durable and easy to grip as well. Touch controls are not overly sensitive and they responded well when controlling playback and calls. It does have a slim profile and it doesn't protrude out as much. I like the fact that they include the foam ear tips so it gives you a nice selection to get the proper fit. Battery life is good, coming in at 6.5 hours and 30 total with the case. I like the USB-C, but would have been nice to see wireless charging and a better IPX rating. Now when it comes to sound, I found them to be in line with the previous version. The dual drivers continue to provide that separation with mids, highs, and lows. The bass is tight and punchy and definitely not lacking. It doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs do come in a bit forward and vocals and instruments do stand out. Volume levels do get high and there was no distortion. I would describe it as an energetic sound experience, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Overall, I feel this new version continues to deliver with the sounds and features. Touch controls are a definite plus and the price point is budget friendly. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS Truengine 3 SE. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.